Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a GitHub profile that actually stands out and helps you make a stronger impression on recruiters, employers and other developers. We'll set up your profile, create a professional README and customize everything in just a few minutes. Alright, let's get started. If you don't already have a GitHub account, head over to the GitHub and sign up page. I'll drop the link in the video description. Choose a username that will be comfortable using long term because this becomes part of your developer identity online. Try to keep it simple, professional and easy to remember. Once you're inside GitHub, click your profile and fill out the basics. Add a profile picture, your name, a short bio, and any links you want people to see. You could also add your location. Think of this as a developer business card. It only takes a few minutes, but it makes your profile look much more trustworthy. Next, click the repository icon at the top and select New Repository. Now give the repository the same name as your GitHub username. Set the visibility to be public and make sure to add a README file is checked. Finally, click Create Repository and you're good to go. Writing a README from scratch can take a while, so we are going to use this website. I'll drop the link in the video description. This tool generates a professional GitHub profile README for you. Just fill in your details, choose the section you want, and it will generate the markdown automatically. Then simply copy the generated code and paste it in your README file. I'll show you step-by-step procedures. And that's it for this video. In just a few minutes, we have gone from a blank GitHub profile to something that actually represents us as developers. If you're learning web development, don't underestimate the importance of sharing your work. A great GitHub profile won't get you hired by itself, but it can definitely help you make a stronger first impression. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.